And here you can see the brown gunk that kind of gets built up in the holes on the speakers for the iPhone. You also get some gunk that builds up in here. Sometimes you can't really see it, and so all you do to clean it out is just get a toothbrush and, you know, go through it softly, back and forth, just with a toothbrush. And you basically would do the same thing on the bottom. One hand in it here, but you basically, you know, like that. You know. Let's see. You can see that there. Go at it like this. Just every angle, whatever, you know. Whatever it takes to get it clean, you know. But it does make a difference in the quality of what you hear through the phone. Even kind of push the brushes into the holes a little bit. And if you got some, a bit of compressed air. And that's pretty much it. That'll clean it out real good. That'll increase your volume of your ring and of your headset. I'm kind of pushing in and down a little bit, and then just going across it softly. So, take a look at that there. It's all really nice and black and clean. And that's pretty much it. Pretty much it.